Welcome back to the channel, guys. I want to give you guys a little clothes haul, also known as a drip haul from Into the AM Clothing. And the reason why I'm making this video is I really like these shirts, especially their graphic tees, and I'm going to get to their basic ones as well. They fit really well. I'm about 150 athletic build. I'm about 5'8", 150. And again, they fit nice around the arms. This is a medium shirt. All the shirts I'm going to show you are medium. The graphic tees are really cool. They got a lot of astronaut space type of t-shirts. This one says Into the AM, an astronaut right here. And the reason I really like the astronauts is because obviously the bull market right now with stocks and cryptocurrency, we're going to the moon, and I really want to represent that, and I'm pumped to see that. Anyway, they fit really good. Little logo on the back, that's their logo, Into the AM logo right there. And again, the reason why I like them is they fit really good on your pair of jeans right here. Again, this is a medium, and it fits great. Let me show you some other tees. You're gonna have to forgive the hair when I keep changing shirts like this. This is their basic tee that is logofied right here. So that just means a logo. This fits absolutely fantastic as well. Nice around the arms and shoulders. It feels really good, nice and slender down your athletic build, really hugging the muscles. Whenever I wear these shirts, I just feel strong. It feels tight. I like the ones with logos. They do make a basic tee without the logo, but I do like the little logo. Nothing on the back or anything like that. But again, a really clean cut shirt. I have this in gray, I have this in black, I have this in this color, I have this in a lighter green, a darker green, basic tee, logo or without logo, great shirt. And before we go any further, if you are interested in these clothes, top link in the description box below will be a direct link where you guys can pick up some great deals. Definitely check out their clearance section. I got some shirts for dirt cheap, as well as some workout shorts. So check out their clearance sale section where they're just kind of pushing out these, maybe bringing in new inventory, but you can get great prices. So check that out. I'm also trying to find it, but I can't seem to find it. But I have a snowboarding face mask that pulls up from your neck over your face. I got that on clearance a while ago. Used it last year snowboarding, last couple years, loved it. Just can't find it right now for some reason. Here's the basic tee gray. Now let me show you some of my newest ones that these are actually currently on clearance sale. Most of these, let's take a look. Now this is brand new. This has not been washed, so it's gonna go ahead and shrink up a little bit, which I prefer. This one's a little bit more loose. This one's not as tight, but again, all you have to do is wash it one time and you're good to go. Or if you like it a little bit looser, so you can see how it's just a little bit longer too, maybe an inch, inch and a half. And then you can see it's nice, but it's not as tight as the other. There's a little bit more room up through here. These are all mediums that I'm showing you for 5'8", 150 athletic build. See, a little bit loose. This literally was just put in my drawer from the factory. I have not washed this yet, and this t-shirt is absolutely awesome. I'm gonna try to get that in frame here. Astronaut, moonshot. They have so many cool designs like this going to the moon. Graphic tee. I don't think there's anything on the back, as you can see there. So again, if you like it a little bit more loose, then just hang dry it. Don't dry it, or it will shrink. All right, let's keep going. Okay, this one is a little bit more tighter right out of the gates. This particular one right here. This is, I believe this one is on clearance sale right now. I think it was only like $6.99 or something like that. No logo on the back. This one actually fits a little bit tighter than the one I just showed you here. It might be the type of cut. This particular one is 100% cotton, which I do prefer 100% cotton if possible. And that will definitely shrink on you. Some of these other ones are kind of a blend, I think. I don't know if this one's 100% cotton or not, but it feels great. And again, look at the logos, the graphic tees. This one, again, fits really, really nicely on the guns. And the one I just showed you right here, this particular one, some of these graphic tees, these are 60% cotton, 40% polyester. So that will shrink maybe a little bit, but not too much. So if you prefer 100% cotton, just check the listings and make sure you buy accordingly. It looks like the basic tees, I've actually had these for a while, but it looks like the basic tees are 60% cotton, 40% polyester. And then this is probably gonna be one of my new favorites right here. This is literally a Tesla truck with a moon astronaut, a moon right here. We're going to the moon and this glows in the dark. You gotta be joking me. Fits great. Again, we'll shrink up a little bit, but how cool is that shirt? Tesla Cybertruck with an astronaut, glows in the dark. Okay, let's check out the basketball shorts and then also a golf polo real quick. Stay with me here. All right, this is their golf polo, which is logo right here, as we can see. I wore this to church last Sunday. Definitely got some nice looks. Beautiful cut. This has not been washed yet, and it fits absolutely fantastic. Golf swing, looking good. Again, I wore it to church. It's a beautiful shirt. I like to button it all the way up. A little collar on it. Fits good around the arms, as we can see. Athletic build. And then I want to show you these athletic shorts. These ones have a small logo. I got these on clearance and sale. There's drawstrings, super comfortable, a zippered back pocket on it right here, zippered back pocket. They are pocketed as well, nice deep pockets right here. And on the left side, if you're facing the person, there is a small zippered pocket. Not too large, but you could put your keys, chapstick, money, but the cell phone would fit in the front pockets or a nice deep back zippered pocket once again. Let me try these on for you real quick. All right, super comfortable. I'm wearing them a little bit lower than you probably should. Hike them up just a little bit. So they are above the knee, not too high. You know, some guys are rocking shorts like super, super high. I mean, I guess you could just pull them up maybe a little bit more, but typically that's where I like to leave my shorts. So these aren't super high if you're looking for ones like this. These are mediums. Again, nice deep pockets right here, as we can see. Got the drawstring, the zipper over here, zipper on the back as well. Super, super comfortable. So once again, Into the AM has made some awesome threads clothing. I like how they offer 100% cotton shirts as well. Again, I'm trying to go all 100% cotton, but some of the graphic tees I really love, and they make solid products. Again, top link in the description box below. Use that link, take you over to their website, do some shopping, grab these deals before they're pushed out of clearance. They have so many cool graphic tees. They have joggers as well. I think they have pants. So definitely check out their spread. I think they have caps. They have hats as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. My name's Chris. Bye-bye for now.